Hello guys, this is Rizwan. Today I'm going to teach you how to add date and time using very simple method of Excel in Google spreadsheet. We just have to double click in a cell and add equal sign and write the now and start bracket and end bracket, start and end bracket, and press enter. You can check, we have the date and time that we have currently on my PC, and you can format it from the format option by clicking on the number, and you can select. If you want to select the date, you can see the date. If you want to format it in a different kind of format, like you need only time or date and time, you can just select it from here. This is very simple and easy method. You can try it on your Excel sheet, and if you have any kind of question, you can comment on this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you so much.